So a few years back, I made these gorgeous royal purple DIY glitter ornaments for a project that I was doing, and I made some extra because it's my mom's favorite color. So she requested that I make some different colors for her this year. And it's been a very hard year for everyone, so after taking the correct precautions, I was able to see her for a few days, which was amazing, and she filmed me doing this little tutorial. So by all means, I hope you guys enjoy. Bulbs that I got last year for 90% off after Christmas, because that's when you go get your decorations. Clearance is key. So I paid like $1 for these. And I have made, I have a couple glitters that my mom wants, and then I've made a couple special custom glitters for her. She wants to do some reds, some silvers, and some purples. So this is an organizer drawer, and I pulled out all of the drawers, which can be used as little storage organizers for like your bathroom, whatever. These are Christmas hooks. So as you can see right here, they have these little holes. So I'm coming through with these Christmas hooks, and I'm spacing it out to where I can Mod Podge the glitter on there, and then have them dangle to dry without touching anything. And this is called being resourceful and finding multiple uses for things, because trash is not necessarily trash. Maybe it's treasure. Maybe you can actually use it for something else. I can't convince my mom of that because she throws everything away. But because I don't throw things away, she gets ornaments. So maybe she'll be convinced now. Okay, so the way I'll do this is I will use the Mod Podge, which I have right here, and I will coat this with it, and then I will pour the glitter on. I'm holding it like this so that I don't mess up the glitter. And then since I have these already ready, then I can come through and hook them, and they can dry. And then we will put one more coat of Mod Podge over it to seal it so that the glitter does not come off. To accomplish this, I'm using this foam brush and applying this Mod Podge all over the ornament and holding it by this. I have these hung so that once I pour the glitter on there, I can hang them so that they'll dry. Then I'll come back through with the Mod Podge one more time to seal it so that the glitter will not fall off. Now, when you pour the glitter on, if you pour it over a paper plate, whatever does not touch the Mod Podge and therefore won't stick will fall into the plate, and then you can siphon it back into your little container and reuse your glitter. Another tip on being resourceful. And you're going to pour the glitter, like I said, over the plate. So we're going to start with this little red combination. And you want to try to get it all over the ornament, because you can go back and redo it. But if you want to get it done more quickly, then just try to get as much as you can and be precise as you can so that you don't have to keep on redoing the process. And then, as I was saying before, we're going to take this glitter and put it right back in here because it didn't touch anything, so we can reuse it. We have these done. They are setting, and then we're going to run some Mod Podge over it just so that the glitter does not go everywhere. We kind of dingled them down here as well because this became a little bit of an obstacle, but everything worked. So we will show you the final results in 1 second.